Hello, Philippines. Hello, US. I'm going to Philippines with them too.
Alright, so thank you so much again for having us here. Thank you to the Miss Universe organization. And of course, thank you to everyone who are here tonight. We're really grateful for each and every one of you who supported us. This tour is not mostly just a tour. It's an opportunity to learn new cultures, to be an opening to us, to witness whatever it is that it is here in Thailand, to meet the people. The concerts are really nice also. Being able to work with different people, they're really nice to us. The food is amazing. I can't wait to take everything that I've learned in here to the Philippines. Of course, I'm really grateful that I get to experience all of this with my co-sisters, with my Pete sisters. And I know that this is not a goodbye, it's not going to be a final, but it will always be my neighboring country. I love Thailand. Thank you so much.
Alright. Hello, Philippines. Hello, US.